Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. So today I'm going to be doing a little memory plan with me for the week of May 4th through the 10th. And this is just a plan with me where I've already pre-planned it, laid down the kit, and then I'm going to go in day by day and just memory plan with whatever happened that day. This is a kit by Wild Summer Designs for Mother's Day. It's a Mother's Day kit, and I will have it linked down below if you'd like to check out the pre-plan plan with me, as well as it'll pop up in the cards hopefully sometime around now. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start memory planning. So starting off on Monday, I had scheduled a USPS pickup to pick up some packages, and so I'm using a nope sticker from the kit because they just like never showed up. It was so weird because they sent me an email saying they confirmed that my pickup was completed, but they never showed up, so that was strange. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just mark that there was a nail polish sale, so I'm taking a little like label from the kit and a nail polish icon from Magic Prints Co. Because a company called Live Love Polish, which is a polish I love because I like to get indie brands from them, was having a sale for May 4th because it was May the 4th be with you. So I wanted to pick up some of their Galaxy nail polishes because they're so pretty. So I picked those up. And then also my son had a meeting with his teacher on Monday. So I'm using a meeting script from Rose Colored Days. And I'm just going to write in the time of the meeting that he had with his teacher, just like a little, Google Meet thing. And then I wanted to add in a few bows just to kind of make things look a little cute. So I'm using the little Kiss Cut bow sheet from the Giving Girl where she's got these tiny little dainty bows. Then I'm going to go ahead and just separate the top there. It's like a little random gap of white space with a header from the Giving Girl, a little glitter bow header. I also wanted to just mark that I knew on Friday that my son was having a virtual field day since we were made aware of this on Monday. So I'm going to be taking a appointment label from the kit and a little running man from Simply Watercolor Co. That way I remember on Friday he's got to do his little, field day activities at home, and I'm going to submit his times and his scores and pictures and stuff like that. Then I'm going to write in for my gratitude daily for Monday. I was grateful for having a little craft session since I only do those about once a month. And so I decided to have a little craft day. Then on Tuesday, I'm just checking off the 2 bills that I paid with just a little check mark. And then I'm going to take a laptop from Dash of Sun Designs. Her shop is currently on vacation while she's on maternity leave, but she's going to be reopening here pretty soon. And then I'm going to take a pretty hexagon with a little bow on it just to mark that I had to like reschedule another USPS pickup for those packages since they never showed up. So I'm just marking that because I do that on my laptop to schedule it. And then I'm going to take one of these little swirly flourishes from in the kit just to separate some space. Then I'm going to take a Sadie's Stickers layering flag with a Minus Addiction triple arrow to mark that I uploaded my memory plan with me on this day. I also uploaded my April haul, but that was already on there. I just ended up having like 2 uploads on this day. So Tuesdays I think are going to be my regular day to upload these memory plan with me's that you're watching right now. Then for my gratitude today, I wrote Rise of Skywalker because we actually watched that on Monday for May the 4th, but I was just grateful for the craft day, but then I was also grateful that we got to watch Rise of Skywalker because it was great and an amazing, end to the series. So I loved it. Then moving on to Wednesday, I'm going to use one of these tiny little boxes from the kit and then a little like package from Cozy Paper Co. Who's a shop that I care for, just to mark that USPS finally picked up those packages that I needed them to pick up. Then I'm also going to use a to clean script that comes in the kit, as long as one of the little mini bow checklists to mark that I did deep clean some things. These are things that I don't usually clean, and I don't usually mark things like that in my memory plan with me, but when there isn't like too much of an eventful day, and I also didn't have a ton to memory plan because I was really busy like deep cleaning the house on this day, I thought I would just, mark it. So I marked that I deep cleaned like the stove and our vacuum filters, and then the dryer like lint trap too, because you want to make sure you scrub that and get all the lint out of it too to prevent fires and stuff. So I do that like every 6 months. And then I'm going to take a little soap sticker from Station Stickers. This is a shop that recently closed, so sorry you can't get that. That's just a leftover I had from a really long time ago, like 2 or 3 years ago. But I love holding on to foiled icons, so I wanted to use the little soap bar. And then for Wednesday's gratitude, I wrote in new books because my in-laws came and dropped off a couple of new books for me to read since I did recently finish. I'm finishing up like the Sword of Truth series by Terry Goodkind. It's a really great series. I've read like, so far I've read 12 of the books in the series. And the series is technically done, but there's a couple of prequels that he did, and I wanted to go back and read them. They're just kind of like short little, like mini stories kind of, you know? Anyways, so moving on to Thursday, I'm going to mark with like a little skinny label from the kit. My son had another meeting with his second teacher, with his resource teacher, and so I'm using another meeting script from Rose Colored Days. These scripts are coming in so handy, and I never used to use meeting scripts, but I'm using them all the time now, so glad I had them on hand. I just grabbed them from an Oops grab bag from Rose Colored Days like a long time ago, but you know, I held on to them because like whatever. And that's all I really had space for Thursday to write in. Then I'm going to write that I was grateful for finishing the closet on Thursday because we've been deep cleaning the closet for weeks and just really reorganizing things, throwing things out to donate, or, you know, throwing out old trash that's in the closet and all kinds of stuff. So we finally finished it. The last thing we have to do is buy new shelves and install the new shelves, but that's going to be like a whole other project. We're probably going to need help from my father-in-law for that. You know, and he can't help us during the pandemic. So like, whatever, that's just, we're going to call it finished for now. Then on Friday, there really wasn't room to do anything else, but I did want to just like replace that bildew because I had accidentally lifted up the corner on the right and it was sticking up and annoying me. So I just replaced the bildew and used the flourish from the kit. And I wrote that I was grateful for the first confessor because I started that book from, you know, the new books that they dropped off, and it was so far it's a great start. So then moving on to Saturday, I'm just going to start by checking off the, you know, things that I have in my checklist there that I finished up. Then I'm going to go ahead and take an appointment label from the kit, and I'm just going to write in transfer money with a little orange $ icon from Libby & Co. And that's because I had, or transfer unemployment, and that's because I had some unemployment deposited into the debit card and I needed to transfer into my checking account. Then I'm just going to take another what are these? The Giving Girl bow dividers, just to, you know, break up some space. And then I'm going to take a Cozy Paper Co. Like it's a birthday present, but because I got the white color, in gold, you can just use it for anything. Birthdays, Christmas, whatever. So I just used it to mark that I needed to order the gifts for my mother-in-law and my father-in-law for Mother's Day and also his birthday, because Mother's Day was Sunday and then his birthday is the following Tuesday. So it's really close. So I just wanted to, you know, get them like a joint gift that they can just, it's more expensive. It's for both of them. So that's what we did on Saturday. And then I also just marked that I was grateful for my cat for Saturday, since I just looked down and saw him there sleeping and looking cute. So I was grateful for him. Then moving on to Sunday. Sunday was Mother's Day. I'm going to be taking a Happy Meal letter from Cozy Paper Co. and a Happy Meal script from Rose Colored Days to mark that I got my Erin Condren order in, since it did come via FedEx, so it was delivered on Sunday. Then I'm going to take a label from the kit and a chocolate covered strawberry from a shop who's no longer open, which is why I didn't show where it came from. Apologize for that, but I didn't have any other chocolate covered strawberry stickers, and I just wanted to mark that my in-laws came by to drop off chocolate covered strawberries, since they know that that's one of my favorite desserts, and it was very sweet of them. So let me know if you know any shops who have chocolate covered strawberry stickers, because I'd really appreciate it. Sorry if you can hear my cat munching away in the background, because every single time I turn the camera on, he's got to start eating for some reason. Anyways, I'm going to take a laptop from Cozy Paper Co. just to mark that I ordered chilies for my mom for her Mother's Day present, since she hasn't had that in a really long time and she loves their food. So I thought that'd be a great present for her to have some food delivered. And then I just put in my habit track, or my gratitude, that I was grateful for my son for making me a mom. Anyways, that is it for this plan with me, this memory plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, because it really helps me out, helps my channel to grow. And definitely leave me a comment if you have a question about where I got anything. All these shops are linked down below for your convenience, as well as any coupon codes or referral links I have to save you some money. But if you just have a question or you want to say hi, definitely leave me a comment down below, because I always respond to all of my comments. Also, be sure that you're subscribed if you're not already, because I'd love to have you here. I make these memory plan with me weekly. I make these memory plan with me's weekly. That's a little better. There we go. also plan with me's weekly and monthly hauls, monthly plan with me's. I have a lot of great content on here that I regularly upload. So if that's your thing and you'd like to watch that, then definitely subscribe because I would love to have you here. Anyways, I hope that you all take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. All right, bye y'all.